Okay, now my destination page is done. Now let's move to the crew page and let's try to also improve this crew page as well. Okay. So now let's go to our Figma design first. Now here you can see how my crew page is here. Now we need to style it like this. Okay, I think we only need to change this font size and everything, and then it will work fine. So I will go to the main content and I will come to content. What I do, I will like right click on this content, copy pages, copy to code, and all layers. So copy this folder. Now here I will go to our untitled page and here I will paste it. I think it's not a good idea to copy the first. I think it's the same style for this what you can say for page title. So what I will do, I can go to the destination, okay, and here I have given this MD kind of this property like and for MD medium screen justify center, justify start, and for a small screen it should be a justify center. Now I will do the same thing for this case as well. So here what I will do, I will paste it like this. So now if I go to my here, now I can see my something like this. Now if I go to destination, I can use the same thing like text base. Okay, so here let's open this text Excel. So what I will do, like this text Excel, it should be for medium screen size. For a smaller screen size, let's say text base. For this tracking, it will be for medium screen. Okay, and for a small screen, the tracking will be now let's say it will be 0.15 m. Now if I go to our browser, I can say it will look like this. Okay, now we need to say edit this heading and paragraph everything. Okay, you just need to heading in this thing. So now for that case, what I will do, I will go to my crew person.txs like this component, and here you can see I have the text 3xs. So for that, what I will do, I will go to my destination tab. And here you can see. Okay, I don't think so. There is the correct class name I will find. So for that, what I will do, I will go to my Figma design. Now I will go expand the content. I will expand the explanation. Okay, and then I will also then expand the explanation or rank and then commander. Okay, I will select this, right click on it, copy the CSS code. Now I come here. Now go to my untitled page, paste it here. Now let's see the font size. I think font size is 18 px, which is closer to the base. So here for role, for the case of role, I define as text tracer. So I will write MD column text tracer. And for a small screen, it should be text hyphen, let's say 18 px. Okay, similar thing I will do. I will copy this class name or CSS property for the name as well. I'll come here, Control A, Control V. Now let's use a Control Z. Line height is 21. I don't think so. I have implemented a line height 24. Loading. No, I have not defined the loading. For large, for medium screen, it will be like this 40 px. And for the small screen, I think height will be, font size will be 24 px. So let's give us 24 px. Let's say for bio, for the case of bio, I think it's correct. It will be 18 px. Let's say copy this CSS code from here This is code for copying here. Now I will come to this file, I will paste it here. So I think it's sub 15 px. Okay, I can leave it 1 px difference. I can leave it as it. So now, okay, now I just need to reduce that gap. Okay, so I think there's too much gap. So this gap, like, I can define it for medium, and for a smaller screen, let's give it gap as, let's say, 3. Okay, now you can see it will look like this. And also just I think from top, I think it's too much gap, but I guess it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, let's go to the crew.tss. Where we go? ABG crew mobile. Okay, okay, and just increase that width. Okay, I just need to increase the width. So here I had a for large screen 4 by 12. Okay, for a small screen it's 11 by 12, and I guess 11 by 12 is fine, it's perfect. But here I can say I depend that I have reduced that extra width. So here I will do empty forward back. If I do this, now you can see it will look like this, and I think this is fine. Okay, border at 400. I guess this one is looking to the center as well. Now if I did not write like tableau full, remove this tableau full, remove this empty column, then also I think it's looking fine. Okay, so I think group page is also developed. Okay, now we don't need to modify anything here. Should I reduce that gap, or I think it's fine? I think gap is fine. We don't need to change. Okay, we don't need to change anything here. Like for the crew page for mobile device, it's fine. Now let's go to the last page. Let's say the technology page. Okay, so what I will do for the case of technology. Okay, here for minimize it. Let's go to the mobile technology. Okay, I think it will have the same class name for this. Let's say the page title. So I will copy this. Now I go to the technology.tsx page. Okay, so for page title, I have defined like this. Okay, okay, I just need to reduce the font size and everything. Okay, so just do it. Okay, so let's say let's go to the preview. Here you can say I have the text. So I will copy the thing from here. I go to technology. Everything from large, I think I have copied. Till tracking, I have copied. So I will replace it. Okay, now for this thing like the content also, I will copy this thing from here to here. Okay, now let's change it. Okay, I have changed it. Now you can see I just need to make it center. Let's see how we can make it center. So this is responsible for showing this title. So here I have got the M-auto flex cap because I have this flex. Okay, so here I will write for a medium screen. It will be justify start, and for a smaller screen it should be justify center. Now I think it should be come to the center. Yes, come to the center. Okay, now below this image is fine. We just need to change the font size and like width for this tab like pagination, text and paragraph. Okay, so what I will do here, from here I will copy this last name photo. So I will go to content. Okay, we don't need to modify anything from images here for three dot. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this thing font size. So copy this code, CSS code from here. I will go to what is it, the untitled page or text page. Here you can see the font size is 18 px. Now let's see. So minimize this theme. Okay, so here you can see which font size I'm using. Currently I'm using 2XL. Okay, so here I will write for medium device it will be a 2XL. Okay, for medium device it will be 2XL. Okay, but for small device let it be a XL only. So here I will write text XL or LG. Okay, let's see. Font size LG means 18 px here. Okay, son. Now let's reduce the circle size as well. Now let's see what is the width and height for circle as well. You can say it has 40 px. So now if I go to technology, I have to go 14, double 14. So now let's see. So if I go to width, let's say W14 means 56. So we still need to reduce it to let's say 14. So W10. So let's do it. Okay, so now let's define that width as 10. This is for a small screen. Here I will write AMD column. And here I will write AMD column for medium device. You can say for medium device width, small device width, and here also I will write W10. And here I will write S10. So I guess everything is done for the case of butter. Now you can say it's looking like this. Okay, now let's fix this the font size for this case. Okay, so what I will do, just minimize this step. Now let's go to the technology step component. Okay, here I have the place called justify center, item center, and everything. Think like say this step until this. Here I have a flex one W 5.2 by 3. Okay, let's see. This is the border 500, 300. Let's take it too much. This much longer. So let's give it anywhere I have done this. Let's say MD for okay, and for a small device, let's give it okay. Let's did not depend the weight. Okay, instead of it, I will give define some padding from left right. Let's say let's define some padding as PXS4. Then I think it will look fine. Okay, let's compare with the design. Okay, I need to change the fonts and currently it's looking too big. Yes, I will change the font size and everything, then it will look fine. Okay. Now let's see the okay, let's change the font size and everything first. Okay, I will put explanation, rank and name. Let's copy this CSS from here. Yes, I will go to the here, paste it here, 18 px. Let's go to the technology step, technology test. Okay, so permitted device it will be, and personal device, let's say text LG. Let's see for name, copy paste the CSS code. From where are you getting like the project UI? How we should make the project? So, hello, like Fajan Khan. First of all, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have picked this challenge from like front end mentor like site. Like this is a like on this website I picked this challenge. So now you can see like on this challenge you can see a various challenges available here. Okay, like it's related to only front end. So if you want to increase your front end skills, okay, you can choose any challenge from here. Okay, and you can try to solve it. So like this is the platform. Just search on the Google like front end mentor. Okay, and you will get the like official site URL for this platform. Mm. And you can get the challenge also. Okay, so like to create this challenge, like currently I have, if I show you my challenge, so if I go to the home page first. Okay, here if I select my challenges, now you can say I currently pick this challenge space to is a multi-page website. So I pick this challenge from here, and from here I got this starter code and as well as the Figma file. Okay, so like I like do live like daily live stream. Like I come daily and try to solve this challenge, like content mentor challenge, live during my live stream. Okay, like I have not solved this challenge yet. Okay, I am solving it at live stream only. Okay, that's why it sometimes take too much time while solving this challenge. Okay, but I don't feel any issue. Like I just want to show like how you can pick any challenge and how you can like you can try to solve this challenge. Okay, what should be your approach? Okay, so where am I? So here I have mentioned change the as a text class. I think I have already copied the class name for commander. Yeah, I think I have copied this class name. Now let's copy it again. So Douglas Early, I will right click on it, copy this CSS code. Sorry guys, extremely sorry. Okay. So now I'll go to here. I'll control it, control V. Now you can see for like for this test, we are using the font size is 24 px. So I will come here. You can see for large scale and for medium scale. I am using text type of 40 px. Now let's see font size for. I think there will be a class name for font size 40. 24. Yeah, I can use the text to Excel. So here I will add text to Excel. Now let's see for description as well. So here copy paste the CSS code, control V, 15 pieces. I think it's fine. It's a base similar to this. I think I have given this text space. Okay. Now I think it's done. Okay. Yeah, for this you can say border technology. Let's remove the border first. As we don't need this border, so I will remove this border from here. Okay, so now you can see if I go to the different pages, it will look like this. Okay, I think it's done. Now we can see for like iPad version or iPad mini. I don't see iPad Air. It's not so correctly, but for the case of okay, here I think there's some issue. You can say there's no space between the text which I need to maintain. Now if you go to here, if you see the technology for tablet layout, you can say it will look different. So currently I use for medium device, it will look like this. Okay, let's see the border. Border red 400. Yes, second distance. Okay, let's connect. Instead of going to white tree, let's do it more. Okay, okay, let it be flexible only. Okay, now we can increase enter with the like px like padding. Because here I will write for my medium size. Let's say px should be 8. If I do this, now I can say it will look like this. Let's increase it more. Let's say it's 12. Okay, now we can say it will look like this. And I think, okay, I need to increase it more. Do I need to increase it more, or I think it's fine. We just need to give some gap. Or I think gap is not working. You can see here. I have implemented a gap. You can see flex call gap, but gap is not working. Why is not working? Okay, here I have to define a gap. Here I need to define the gap as, let's say, 8. I think 8 is too much. Let's say 4. I mean, 4 is fine, and now we can remove the border color as well. Okay, then you define the border. Border. Now let's see the mobile version. Okay, the mobile device it will look like this, and on tablet it will look like this. Let's see the different pages as well. I think it's also looking nice. Let's see the mobile version. Okay, now I think the content has been like content part has done. Okay, it's implemented. Okay, now let's try to achieve this Nova functionality. Okay, instead of going Nova like this, what I want to do here, I want to like go what is a hamburger icon. I think instead of going like this. Okay, so now let's try to achieve this part as well. Now let's see how we can do it. Okay, now for that we need to go to the navbar. Now we can pause all this thing. I don't save it. Can pause it. Now let's go to the navbar. But we only need to modify this navbar. Okay. Now this UL and LI, this will be only visual for case of medium device. Okay. So here I will write for the case of medium, I will write block. Okay, and apart from that, every other case it should be hidden. Like this navigation only, this should be hidden. Okay, now okay, my navigation bar has gone from here. Okay, and also this you can say justify center. So in here just justify center. We don't need to see for this justify center. And why is still some people there? Because center we need to understand. So like these all things are hidden. That's why. Let's see the border. Okay, I will include the border red. I guess 300 if I go to. Okay, you can see it's taking the full available width. It should not be the big. Okay, instead of it, it should show the okay to different or let it be. Here we just need to, instead of justify center, it should be case for medium device only. And for small device, it should be justify start. If I do it, I can say it will come here and also we can get some padding. The fact let's say is 4. Okay, so should have some gap from the okay. Now what I will do here, I need to show one hamburger, but before it, I need to get the screen width and height. So I will get the screen width is equal to huge. But let's I forgot a custom name. This custom I have created. But I guess you don't need that. Okay, I don't like here I have made this UI hidden. Yes, nothing I can do the opposite to it. But before let's say how we can implement the hamburger, we can show this hamburger. Okay, so here what I will do here I need to show one hamburger image to the right. Let's see how to do it. First of all, let's go to the grades column. Let's see. Grade row start and okay, if I need to go 1 dbr and 1 dbr and space between, can I use justify between? So let's say I think I already have this hamburger in icon. Yeah, here I have. So here what I will do, I will create one div. Okay, and here I will show one image for the like I will give the path as assist slash slash share slash already slash icon hyphen m b u r g r worker dot svg I think dot svg. Here I will show the alt at It's not a ham, it's a hamburger. So, ham, yeah, hamburger icon. Now if I come here, you can say I have this hamburger icon. Okay. So now what I will do, like currently it's showing below it. Now what it will look like, I will do here. So for medium device, it will have this call as pen as 6. Okay, and for a small device, it will have read calls as 2. So this will have 1, and the second call as 1 will take this. Like okay, as call hyphen span as 1. Now you can say it will come to side by side. Now here I can use text, and here I will justify end and items center. Okay, like this. Now let's see some class name for it, and also the position gap. I'll use PSS. Let's not 16. Whatever the gap I will. Let's say 4. And for medium voice, it will be hidden. Okay, so it will not shown on the middle voice. Like it will only preview to smart voice. Okay, now if I like open the iPad, now you can say I should not have that. There's one issue which UL it's hidden, and for medium voice it's the block, but that should not be case. Okay, for small device it will be hidden. Okay, like this. But for medium device, if I do this, let's say if I do medium block, then it will look like this. It's not okay. I got it. Instead of here, probably here I can use for medium device. It will be display text. Now it will look like this. Okay, and everything is looking fine. But if I open in a mobile device, you can say it will look like this. Now let's see the Figma design. What should be the class name for navigation? So okay, I will go to the navigation. Now let's go to the instead of go to logo, let's go to the menu. Okay, so now I will copy this class name CSS code. I will come to this navbar. Now I will create a new file again. Okay, let be a text file. Now here I will paste it. Now let's see. Width is 24 place and height is 21. Okay, which is fine. Okay, I think. What do I need to increase the width? I don't think so. And let's copy this code. CSS the piece of there. Okay, place it. Okay, I don't need to change it. Okay, I think it's looking nice according to me, and I don't need to make any changes. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's see, create some border red. Let's give it 300. That much of that is step in. I think should I increase the width and height? Let's give it. No, instead of doing this, I will give a class name to it. Let's say with 24 px. So, okay. 6 w hyphen 6. Let's say I will do the fix. I think w8 will work. W8, I think it's fine. Give it little bit. So similar to this icon. Okay. Okay, so now it's fine. I have this hamburger. Now what I want. Okay. Next, let's increase this padding count left, right. Let's do it by 6. Okay, now I think it will look like this. Now let's go to the iPad mini first. Okay, I think on iPad mini it's looking fine. If I go to the desktop, like desktop, then on desktop, there is some issue. Okay, if I, yeah, where is the issue? Okay, we need to fix this. Text is overlapping correctly. I think for this case only it will overlap because it has two text. Apart from that, everything should work fine. Okay, let's quickly try to fix this. Let's go to the technology step. Okay, here you can see I have this large part lot. Like I need to see like why I'm getting this overlap. Okay, now we say border red 300. Now it will show here a border. No, I don't think so, but it's related to this. Got it from here. Per medium per other. Okay, I think I need to give some leading. Okay, so now let's give it leading. Or we can get this leading from here as well. Now let's go to the technology mobile menu. Okay, what I will minimize this. I will open this main content. Go to content, page, image, resolution and expand, rank bar, and plus. Okay, now I need to see for the large screen. I think for desktop screen it's failing. Okay. The desktop screen I think it's working fine. If I go to if you can see it's working fine. It is failing for desktop. So we need to go to the like desktop technology. Desktop destination, desktop technology. Let's open this main content, content. I will go to the content, page explanation, rank and then let's copy this. I paste as sport, CSS sport. I'll paste it now. You can see line height is 64. So I need to give the search for lady. That's the line height 64 or 64 which I need to specify it. Let's go to the technology step. Okay, here I will write LG leading icon 64. I think I have removed this 64 here. That's why it's like that. So, icon. Okay, and that's the output. I will go to Nava. Yeah, you can see I should have expand relative. If I open it, left 16. Instead of 16, let's give it that is police. That is police. Okay, guys. So now what I want, once I click on this like a hamburger icon, so it should open a navigation bar or sidebar. Okay, so to implement it, I will use a let's say set CM. I will go to let's say this available ui.setcm.com. We will search for component. Okay, let's see which component can I use. Alert. That's what it's avatar, page, button, calendar, card. This one I can't use. Let's see. Yeah, collapsible. If I go, no, I don't think it's separate one. Drawer. Let's say drawer. If I click on drawer, this I can't use. Let's say power card, menu bar. Dialog. It's a model kind of thing. Recording, I don't think so. Alert, breadcrumb, no. Button, no. So pretty simple. It's not a button. Collapsible, I have see, like it's not the one which I want to use. Context menu, no. Dialog, no. Drawer, I have seen this drawer like it will show like this, so I don't want this drawer. Drop down menu, okay, open it, no. For label menu bar, let's see the menu bar. Pagination, progress, resizable, set. Let's say I think it's a set only. If I click on it, you can see it will look like this. It will open a set like this, and which I want to create. So what I will do, I will use this set. Okay. So what I will do currently, I will copy this command, npm command. I will go to my React application. Let's remove it. Okay. Now let's create another git base profile here in the terminal. Okay. I will paste the command here. Press the enter button so that it will import the script in my project. Just wait until it gets installed. Okay, so it got installed. Okay, installed successfully. Now what I want, let's see how we can implement it. So to implement it, first we need to import this data and everything. Because let's import it like this. So I have imported this sheet. Okay, now just copy paste this thing. Okay, sheet trigger open. Okay, let's see. Okay, I open this sheet. Now below this div, can paste anywhere, I guess. Sheet, yeah, I can paste here as well. Okay, we don't need this sheet trigger here because it should open once I click on this image. I think I got a solution. Let's see. Open and open change. Okay. So here I need to create one state like pulse open. Okay, now set open. It will be a yogi state. Oh, actually imported from React, and the default value will be false. So let's move this React to the top. So I have this open and set open state. So what I want, once I click on this div, okay, so here I will implement one on click event like this, and it will call a callback function like this, and it will do set open to true. Okay, so it will open the sheet for me. Okay, and here we need to pass the prop or event, like we don't have to pass the children and default open key. We need to pass on open change and open. So on open, pass this open value. Okay, and on open change, we pass this set open. Okay, now let's see if I go to our website. If I click on here, okay, now currently I think there's some issue. Let's see. Okay, it's currently reloading. That's what, and we got reload. And let's verify if there is anything error. No, I don't think see any error on the console. Like these error are related to the some extension which we can ignore. Now let's click on this pagination. Now you can say once I click on this hamburger, my, like you can say, the sheet or sidebar is open. Now if I can click on it, it will close. Okay. So I got the sidebar. Now let's design this sidebar. So, like this sidebar. Okay, if I go to my, you can say the Figma design, now you can say it should look like this. Okay, it will have one close icon there, which I already have. Then below it, we need to show some what you can say, the menu. Okay, to show the menu, and also just let's pick the background color for this case. Okay, so I will go to navigation. Okay, then what I will do, I will control, or like I will right click on it, I will copy this CSS. Let's say which background color they are using. I'll go to this untitled. Now you can say the background color which they are using is RGB, like this one. Okay, this background color they are using. So I need to use the same background color as well. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will go to my Tailwind config.js, and here the color object, I will mention the same color. Okay, so let's go down. Now here you can see how we can define our color. Okay, first I will go to index.css. Okay, and here I need to define my RGB color, not here. My bad. Let's go here. Inside the root. Okay, dot root object, we need to define our color. So here I will create our, like, say, sidebar. Okay, so if I do busy sidebar, it will take this sidebar background. So sidebar, let's say the background color is 11, 13. So let's see. So let's say these are for the HSL. No, I bet. I need to go to index of CSS. Let's say if I have any RGB color. No, I don't have. Now let's say on the relevant CSS, how we can define that customize our color. So let's say font color only. Let's search for color only. Okay. Now let's go down. Let's see how we can customize our theme with this RGB color. Let's say, why do I have this tab for customizing color? Let's say how I can give the RGB color to the index CSS page. Load on. This will be some option. Yeah, I think like this you can define or so I got it. So just come here, copy this code. Now let's go to index.css first. So here I will paste it. Let's remove this, like the comma from here, and here I will add percentage symbol. Done. It's done. Now let's go to the tailwind config. Okay, let's go down and below this card, here I will add sidebar. Okay, it will open to RGBA, and here I will add var and double hyphen sidebar. Close it. Now it's done, I guess. Okay, we have defined the color property for it. Okay, now if I go to our navbar, okay, so now this you can see this is it, and this is the sheet content. Okay, we can remove everything from here like header and because we don't need it. Okay, now let's define some class name. So here if I get class name, here I will go pg on side bar. Okay, now let's see if I will get a sidebar background. Or now if I click on this, you can say I am getting the sidebar background. Header, I think I am not able to see the heading and everything. Let's see if I have this header. Let's remove the title and everything. Okay, now here if I do bj not this, let's say class name from bj hyphen sidebar. Okay, now if I go, I click on this sidebar, I have this bj sidebar. Okay, that's fine. Let's close this description and everything.